world is mine.
Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends. Subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all the videos.
My English course book, Standard 10, 4.1, The World is Mine. Appreciation of the poem.
Today on a bus, I saw a lovely girl with silken hair. I envied her. She seemed so gay, and I wished I was so fair. When suddenly she rose to leave, I saw her hobble down the aisle. She had one leg and wore a crutch, but as she passed, a smile. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two legs. The world is mine. And then I stopped to buy some sweets. The lad who sold them had such charm. I talked with him. He seemed so calm, and if I were late, it would do no harm. And as I left he said to me, I thank you. You have been so kind. It's nice to talk with folks like you. You see, I'm blind. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two eyes. The world is mine. Later, walking down the street, I saw a child with eyes of blue. He stood and watched the others play. It seemed he knew not what to do. I stopped a moment. Then I said, why don't you join the others, dear? He looked ahead without a word, and then I knew he could not hear. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two ears. The world is mine. With legs to take me where I'll go, with eyes to see the sunsets glow, with ears to hear what I would know. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I'm blessed, indeed. The world is mine. Joy Lovelet Crawford.
Write an appreciation of the poem according to the following points. Title. The title of the poem is The World is Mine. Poet. The name of the poetess is Joy Lovelet Crawford. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of this poem are stanza 1 AABCC, stanza 2 ABB CC DD, stanza 3 AABB CC, stanza 4 AAA BB. Figures of speech. The figures of speech used in the poem are apostrophe, oh God, forgive me when I whine. Alliteration, I envied her. She seems so gay, and I wish I was so fair. Hyperbole, I have two eyes, the world is mine. Inversion, today on a bus I saw a lovely girl with silken hair. Repetition, it's nice to talk with folks like you. You see, I am blind. Theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is what you must count your blessing rather than complain about the things which you think you lack. When you are thankful to God for all the good things you are endowed with, then the world and its joys are yours.